Welcome, everyone, to Northern Illinois Skyview. Well, this past week, we took a little road trip to Kirkland, Illinois, located in rural DeKalb County, northern DeKalb County to be exact, home of the Hiawatha Hawks. You may recognize the red barn here on the east edge of Kirkland. It's a remote site for Dibble Gas Company. Well, this particular day was pretty warm, and although the sun was out, there was hardly any wind, so it was a great day for flying. I've been wanting to do a sky view of Kirkland's Main Street for some time. The village of Kirkland. Well, it became official on August 16th, 1882. Well, first off, we've got Heinz Lumber Company. They've been with Kirkland many years. Kirkland's also got two awesome churches. Just one block south of Route 72, we've got the Kirkland United Methodist Church and the First Lutheran Church. And of course, we've got the Canadian Pacific Railway that cuts through Kirkland, just next to the water tower. Speaking of water, the mighty Kishwaukee cuts through the north side of Kirkland. Kirkland's got a beautiful downtown. I'm going to highlight some of the businesses starting on the north side of 72. We've got Nesterwitz and Associates, the Blake Oil Company, the Kirkland Gas Station, the Quick Stop. Just next door to that, we've got the Temporary Resource Bank branch, Joey G's Pizzeria, the Kirkland Family Restaurant, the Municipal Building, the Library, and of course the Farmer's Inn. On the opposite side, we've got the old State Bank of Kirkland, which is empty, the new resource branch that they're building, the Red Brick Inn, North Pines Heating and Cooling, the Kirkland Post Office, and Nina's Tacos. Just up ahead a little bit on the south side of 72, you'll notice the two red brick buildings. The one furthest south is the original train depot, and the other one is the retired fire station. And just across the tracks on the north side is GIC. And of course, who can forget the old elevators? I know I can't. I had a lot of great memories as a kid, cruising Kirkland. Of course, we've got the Kirkland Sawmill, favorite by many. Get your custom wood cut right there to size. You know, Kirkland's really expanded quite a bit over the last 25 years. Got the dentist office, Dr. Rooney. I believe it's White Oak Dentistry right now. We've got the Dollar General. We all love the Dollar General. Edward Heinz Lumber Company West. Over to your left, we've got Kirkwood Townhomes. Many don't know this, but the town used to be called Kirkwood before Kirkland. And back over on the north side of 72, we've got Shape Master. They've went green and went solar. A1 Storage, And just ahead, you may remember Hinchy Fertilizer. It's now owned by Helena. Well, some may not know this, but the first house ever built in Kirkland is still standing. In 1837, William Thomas Kirk built a log cabin to raise his 9 children. What a beautiful place to raise a family. Some may remember the site as the Bunger Soil Service Company. Mr. Kirk, he acquired about 1,475 acres of land. Had a little farm on it. He was nice enough to donate some of it to the railroad. Just had one agreement, that every passenger train would have to stop in Kirkland, which is now the home to 1,800 people. As we round out this week's Main Street Skyview, we leave you near the Kirkland Community Fire Department, right next to the Euclid Company. Used to be called Tams or the Tuttle Electric. And finally, the Hickory Ridge Subdivision. I'll be sure to leave links below to all the historical facts and anything else I feel you might want to read up on. Have a great week, and thanks for hanging out with Kirkland.